Game on, game on, game on!
All right,
Push!
so
Push now!
We need a defensive line on that row! Post up!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
There is no good path here, man.
Huh?
There is no good path here.
Nah, I'm just avoiding the swamp as much as I can today. They're already in the village.
You gotta be joking me?
Nope. Ah.
Already hit?
Yep.
We got guys straight ahead, be careful.
Ah. Oh, there's a bird's nest.
Where's your current kit, boy?
Right thigh.
Where's it? Oh, oh yeah. Did I do this backwards? I think it. Ah, shit. I hate my assistance.
You aren't supposed to thread it. You gotta learn.
It's been a hot minute, man.
No worries.
That's it. We're just gonna do that.
It was somewhere on the right. Oh, I immediately put my hand in mud. It's just wet.
Yeah, they're at the the last house over there. I kind of want to say we should move up there, but I don't know how much coverage we got.
Not much. I'm thinking of just booking it.
Yeah.
If I die, I die.
Yep.
Oh wait, hang on. It's that same house, I think. Yeah, he's still there. Yeah, he's still there.
Yep. Should be clear for the moment.
Screw it. He's in the doorway.
Yep.
See where the shots are going?
Yeah.
That one. He's on the right side of it.
Okay. Clear this side real quick. Should be good.
Almost. Instead of redconning, let's change to combat shirts.
Oh.
I don't see him yet.
Be careful of this guy shooting the left side.
Oh, I saw him. But yeah, you were right. He ran. He ran to the right, but he bailed.
Okay.
Stay or move?
We might as well move up.
All right. Do you want to go first since you have a TQ?
Yep. There's guys watching our corner. I'm coming back.
Okay.
Yeah, there's about 2 or 3 guys sitting there. Right out of our view. Alright. Hey, hey, hey! My hips! There's
Where's
so
it?
much blood.
Get down. Right outside. I'm going back outside.
Stay right there.
They're back at the old left spot.
There's guys at that doorway again. From
Tag! One is dead on the left. Two are down on the left.
Okay. There's one guy on their side of the last house, peeking our corner.
Yeah, the middle area?
Yeah.
Yep.